Hi everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to the lecture 5 of the module 1 for the subject Industrial Automation and Robotics. So, here we are going to see the different types of manufacturing systems and automation. So, from this particular session, I will give a comprehensive overview of how modern industries are classified by production type and the six key automation systems powering today's manufacturing world. First of all, how industries are classified. So, modern industries can be organized in three distinct ways, each offering a different lens through which to understand manufacturing operations. First, by process. If you take by process means we can take an example of the chemical plants, oil refineries, food processing industries. Now, the next type is by manufacturing process like automotive, machine tools, aerospace, electronics, electricals, etc. Now, the third one is by production volume. How much or the quantity of the products that the particular industry is manufacturing. For example, job shop, batch, mass production are the three core volume based types. First, we will see what is job shop production. So, job shop production is based on the customer orders for small quantities, typically 20 to 200 parts. Each order may differ depending on customer requirements, requiring flexible general purpose machines and highly skilled workers. It is ideal for customized or special products such as space vehicles, machine tools, special tools, and product prototype. So, here the number of products is going to be between how much 20 to 200 parts. So next type is batch production. So batch production manufactures medium-sized quantities of the same product either once or at regular intervals to meet continuous customer demand. It uses general purpose equipment designed for higher production rates than job shops. So we can see this type of batch production or the particular type of batch production in the machine shops, then plastic molding industries, finally the casting foundries. Next one is mass production. So mass production involves the non-stop continuous manufacturing of very large quantities of identical products over a long period. It uses dedicated special purpose equipment. Often the entire factory is designed around a single product, delivering high productivity and low cost per unit. Classic examples include the automobiles, electric bulbs, screws, nuts, which means the count is very high. Okay. If we see in the case of automobiles, every 60 seconds one car is going to be released, every 45 seconds one bike is going to be released. So it is a non-stop continuous process which is going to produce the large quantity with high quality and good productivity. So hope all of you understand the types of production. We just make a small comparison of these different types of production system based upon some categories like job shop or production volume, then product variety, equipment, worker skill, finally the flexibility. So we see in the case of the first type, the production volume is low because we are now going to make for some customized products. But in the case of the product variety is going to be very high, then equipment we can able to use the general purpose, then skill high is required. Finally, the flexibility is very high. But in the case of this particular batch, everything is going to be in the medium or the moderate level. For mass, you can see everything is going to be high, which means the production volume is high, but the product variety is very low because we already discussed identical products are going to be manufactured in a large quantity in mass type production. So we can't expect the different types or various product varieties in mass type production. Hope all of you understood on this type of production systems.